Here's another meatless recipe for you guys. Today I'm making nopales en chile rojo y queso panela. I'll be using 1.5 pounds of fresh nopales, or you can also use canned ones. My pan is set to low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Once it's hot, add the nopalitos, a quarter of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, and salt to taste. Give everything a good mix, cover and cook for about 20 minutes, or until all the slime from the nopales is gone. It's been 20 minutes and they are ready. As you can see, all the baba is gone. Now we set aside and start working on the salsa. My pan is set to low-medium heat and we add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna fry 2 roma tomatoes, 2 jalapeño peppers, 2 tomatillos, and 2 garlic cloves. Cook for about 7 minutes, turning them occasionally so they can cook evenly. After 7 minutes, we add 3 chiles de arbol and 1/3 cup of water. Cover and let them cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and we transfer everything into the blender along with the liquid. Now we add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, some cilantro, and we blend. I'm using the pulse setting because I want the salsa to stay a little chunky. For the cheese, I'm using 14 ounces of queso panela cut into large pieces just like this. And to fry, just add a little bit of oil. It should take you about 30 to 40 seconds per side and I'm gonna be doing it in batches. Once done, in the same pan set to low-medium heat, we saute a quarter of a white onion for about a minute. We add in the salsa, give it a good mix, and this is the perfect time to check for salt. Mine needs a little more, so I'm gonna add some. Next, we add the nopalitos along with the panela and mix everything until well combined. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes and it's ready. After about 5 minutes, it's ready to enjoy. It looks and smells so delicious. I like to enjoy this with some tortillas hechas a mano. I already have a recipe for these tortillas on my page, so go check it out. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, this is so delicious. It is a little on the spicy side, and if you guys have kids and you want it less spicy, you can always just omit the chiles de arbol. But other than that, it's delicious. The nopalitos have that perfect crunch, so you guys definitely need to try it. And there you have it, delicious nopalitos en salsa roja con queso panela. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.